Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cheesecake cups. First, let's prepare the crust. You'll need graham cracker crumbs, melted butter, and a touch of sugar. Mix these together until they resemble wet sand. Then, press about 1 tablespoon of the mixture firmly into the bottom of each paper-lined muffin cup. This creates a perfect, sturdy base for your mini cheesecakes. Now, let's create that wonderfully creamy cheesecake filling. Start by beating softened cream cheese until it's completely smooth with no lumps. Gradually add granulated sugar, then incorporate 2 large eggs one at a time, mixing just until combined. Finish with a splash of vanilla extract. Remember, gentle mixing is key to a light and airy texture, so avoid overbeating the mixture. With your crusts ready and filling prepared, it's time to bake. Carefully spoon the cheesecake mixture into each crust, filling them almost to the top. Bake your cheesecake cups in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 22 minutes, or until the centers are just set. Once baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack before chilling them in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. The best part about cheesecake cups is customizing them with your favorite toppings. Once thoroughly chilled, you can adorn them with fresh berries like strawberries or blueberries, a drizzle of rich chocolate ganache, or a sweet caramel sauce. A dollop of homemade whipped cream adds a lovely finish. Serve these delightful treats cold for the ultimate creamy texture and refreshing taste. Enjoy your homemade cheesecake cups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.